Vietnam is strengthening its self-reliance in military aviation technology by mastering the overhaul and life extension of the Su-30MK2, one of the country's frontline multirole fighter aircraft.
And domestic engineers and technicians are now carrying out a complex maintenance procedures that were previously performed overseas.
Previously, fighter aircraft requiring major overhauls have to be sent abroad, a process that was both costly and time-consuming. Since 2024, however, the A32 factory has fully mastered the technology needed to overhaul and extend the service life of the Su-30MK2. The factory has compiled around 900 technical manuals containing more than 60,000 pages of detailed guidance.
We photograph and catalog every component and piece of the equipment. All information is then compiled into manuals. Technicians follow these documents step by step, ensuring nothing is overlooked.
Vietnam is now among only a handful of countries capable of overhauling the Su-30MK2. Mastering this process is regarded as a strategic breakthrough for A32 factory and the Air Defense Air Force Service.
We closely combine formal training with specialized practical instruction, linking theory with real maintenance and production work. Mastering modern fighter aircraft overhaul technology and aviation technical equipment production is a key element of our long-term strategy for technological self-reliance.
A32 factory has extended the service life of multiple Su-30MK2 aircraft beyond 20 years. These fighters have since returned to operational units, supporting both training missions and combat readiness.